In this short video, I will show you how to autofill your invoices and templates in Monday.com in just 1 minute. Let's start. Here I have a sample Monday.com board, and as you see, each item contains client's data. It's already enough to fulfill my own template. Let's start fulfilling our invoice. We need to open ITEMVALUE and add Smart Spreadsheet view. I've already added it. You can add it like so. Just add views, explore more views, and find Smart Spreadsheet. Then you need to upload your local template with this option. And as you see, I've already added it. So it contains certain data to be filled out based on board data. Instead of copy-pasting it manually, let me use ITEMVALUE formula that pulls live data and lets you autofill templates for other item views automatically. So you can just type ITEMVALUE formula and find it here. Or another way to find this formula is just to click this big blue button, then go to ITEMVALUE. It will be the first formula in the list, and then click OK. Here we just need to type the column name. And the relevant data from this column name connected to this item will be pulled into this field. Let me hit OK. Company name, I guess. Okay, as you see, it's correct now. And let me just pull this formula to other rows and change the column name for each row, city and email. We just need to do this one time. That's it. As you see, the data was pulled. And next step, we need to export this file in a TFSS format. And then proceed to another item view and import the file we've just exported. And as you see, the data was changed automatically. Let me demonstrate it one more time on another item. Again, Smart Spreadsheet view, import, upload here our local file, and as you see, the data was changed automatically. So this way, you can autofill your invoices automatically. And if you want to improve this process even more, you can schedule these reports to be sent automatically to your clients, even for the users that are not included into your Monday.com account.